लर्नर्स, आपकी मैम आ चुकी है एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल के सेकंड पार्ट में, जिसमें हम वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप रीड करिए, क्या दिया है हमें। फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर। हमें स्क्वायर का एरिया निकालना है दैट इज इंस्क्राइब्ड इन अ सर्कल हैविंग अ डायामीटर p सेंटीमीटर। अच्छा, जो सर्कल का डायामीटर है वो स्क्वायर के डायगोनल के लेंथ के बराबर है, यस और नो? यस, इट मीन्स द स्क्वायर, वी नो दैट द डायगोनल ऑफ अ स्क्वायर, diagonal of a square will be of p centimeter, yes or no? Yes, we know that if the side of the square is a, then their diagonal will be root 2a. If the side of the square, this is the side, if the side of the side of square is a, then the diagonal length will be 2a, yes or no? Yes, it means root 2a will be equals to p. It means the side length will be p by root 2. If you rationalize this, you will get p root 2 over 2. Yes. Okay, we need to find out the area. Area is the square of the side. So the area will be a square, that is p root 2 over 2 whole square. So it is going to be 2p over 4. That is p square by 2. This is the area of the square. So area of the square will be, the correct answer of this question is, the area of the square is p square over 2. Okay, learners, and the unit will be centimeter square. See this, if you have any doubt, you can comment and ask. Okay, see all the steps. The diagonal of a square is equal to the diameter of the square circle, that is p centimeter. We know if the side of the square is a, then the diagonal length is root 2a. It means root 2a is equals to p. So we got the value of a, that is p root 2 over 2. Okay, the area is the square of the side. So area will be, we had done the squaring. So we got the area, that is how much? Yes, p square by 2 centimeter square. Okay, now try to find out the answer of the next question. Find the area of the circle. We need to find out the area of the circle. In this question, the circle is inscribed in a square. The circle diameter is equal to the square side, yes or no? Yes, it means the diameter of the circle is a centimeter. So the radius will be a by 2 centimeter. We know that the area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. Put the value of r, that is a by 2 whole square. So the area will be a square upon 4 pi, या फिर pi a square over 4 centimeter square. Okay, learners, you got the solution? Okay, now move to the next question. Yes. We need to find out, what we need to find out? Find the area of the sector. Okay, formula for area of the sector. Yes, theta by 360 into pi r square, whose radius is, okay, this is an incomplete question. So we can let the radius as r, and arc length, and length of a arc is what it is. It is I, or, okay, leave this question. It is the incomplete question. Okay, move to the next question. Yes, the ratio of, we need to find out the ratio of the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square, and an equilateral triangle whose diameter and a side are equal. It means the circle diameter is 2r is equal to the side, whose diameter and side are equal to each other. Okay, area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, yes or no? Replace a by 2r, so you will get pi r square divided by root 3 over 4. Instead of a, we can write 2r, so it is going to be 2r whole square. Simplify this, you will get pi r square whole over root 3 by 4 into 4r square, yes or no? Yes, 4 will be cancelled by 4, r square will be cancelled by r square, so the ratio is, what is the ratio? Yes, pi ratio root 3. Okay, learners? Yes, now move to the next question. A square inscribed in a circle of diameter d. The circle is having a diameter d. For this circle having a diameter d, this circle diameter is equal to the diagonal, is equal to the diagonal of this square, yes or no? So the diagonal of this square will be d. The diagonal will be d. Yes, very good. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, if this is d and another square is circumscribing a circle, there is another square which is circumscribing in a circle, show that the area of the outer circle. Okay, what will be the area of the outer circle? Sorry, outer square. The area of the outer square is side square. So the area of the outer square is side square, that is d square. Okay. The diagonal of the smaller square is d. So their side will be how much? We know that the diagonal of a square formula is root 2a. If the side is a, the diagonal is given as d. So the side length will be, yes, d by root 2. So the area of the smaller square, area of the inner square is a square, that is d by root 2 whole square, that is also equals to d square by 2. Yes or no? Yes. What we need to show that the area of the outer circle, the area of the outer circle is d square is twice the area of the inner square. Yes or no? Hence proved. The question is clear to you, learners? Yes. Okay, should we move forward? Okay. Yes, read the question. They are saying the circumference and the area of the circle are numerically equal. Okay, numerically means the formulas are equal. The circumference, what is the formula for finding the circumference? 2 pi r is equals to the pi r square according to the question. So if you simplify this, you will get the value of r as 2 centimeter. So the diameter will be twice of the radius. So the diameter is 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter. This is clear to you, learners? Okay, moving forward. Yes. The radius of the wheel is given as 0.25 meter. They are asking to find out the number of revolution. We need to find out the number of revolution. If the total distance traveled by the wheel is 11 kilometer, we can convert 11 kilometer into meters. Yes or no? Yes. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So we will write 11,000 meter. Okay. We know number of revolution is equals to distance traveled by the wheel divided by the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. So the distance traveled by the wheel is 11,000 meter. Okay, the circumference of the circle is 2 into pi over into r, that is 0.25. Simplify this, you will get, multiply these two and transpose this 7 to the numerator. You will have 77,000 divided by 4 into 11 into 0.25. If you multiply 4 by 0.25, you will get how much? 1. And 11 into 1 is 1. And this will be simplified by this. So there are 7,000 revolutions completed by the wheel. So the correct answer is 7,000 revolutions. Now the next question is, if the perimeter of the semicircular protector, okay, the perimeter of the semicircular protector is 2r plus pi r. Yes, 2r plus pi r is given as 36. Then they're asking to find out its diameter. Okay, diameter means d. How to find out d? Okay, let's see. Okay, take r common. For finding the d value, first we need to find out r. So we are taking r common. You will have 2 plus 22 over 7 is equals to 36. Take the LCM. So r 36 over 7 is equal to 36. 36 is cancelled by 36. The value of r is 7 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes. If the value of r is 7 centimeter, then the diameter will be, yes, 14 centimeter. Okay, now the next question. The reverse of the 8th question, yes or no? The diameter of the semicircular protector is given as 14. So their perimeter will be equals to the semicircular perimeter, that is 36 centimeter. Both the question are the reciprocal of each other. Can you find it out? Okay, very easy question. Now I'll move to the last question of this video. Then we will move to the short answer type question. Yes, try this. If a square is inscribed in a circle, so there will be a circle and inside the circle there is a square. Okay, the square is inscribed in a circle. What is the ratio of the areas of the circle and the square? Okay, if the circle, let the radius of the circle as r, so their diameter will be 2r, and according to this will be the diagonal of the square. The diagonal of the square, if the side of the square is a, the diagonal length will be root 2a. Yes or no? So root 2a will be equals to 2r. Yes or no? Yes. The side of the square will be root 2r. The side of the square will be root 2r. Okay, we need to find out the ratio of the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square divided by the area of the square, that is side square. Okay, replace a by r. You will have pi r square divided by root 2r whole square. If you simplify this, you will get pi r square over 2 r square. R square will be cancelled by r square. You will have the ratio that is 11 by 7. Okay, learner, this question is clear to you? Okay, now stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we will do short questions, then long, then we will complete this chapter. Okay, learners.